All right, welcome. Some people have asked me, do I have to have the IDE, well, I should say not IDE, but like Dr. Java installed? It's like, well, no, you don't have to have Dr. Java installed. You can just code right in here. It's just difficult to do. So, for example, on this one, it says write the code to output that. Well, you'd have to know to input, your inputs, your little header statements. So you'd have to actually come up here and type this sort of thing in. If you can open up the files with like WordPad, it kind of gets you started. You know what to copy and paste in here. But in this one, I think, let me go back here if I can. Let's see, modules. Give me just a second. Oh, by the way, this, for the course introduction, you can start decascading that and then it doesn't open up everything all at once. But anyway, I'm going to scroll down to like where we had this one right here. And it says you can download the templates. So the templates, and if I go to my drive right here, here's my templates. And then if I open those, you can see I have the templates that I've downloaded. You can actually either get a preview. Let me see, I think I'm actually on activity 3 right here. I could just like copy and paste this. I could open it, right click and open it with I think WordPad was the one that seemed to do it the best, because then I could like copy and paste what they have here. So I guess what I'm saying is that you don't necessarily have to, let me get to the next one here. I've actually already done these things. Let me get to the third one. So I could just do here, paste as plain text, and then start working. And then when I run it, should tell me after a second that I've gotten everything correctly. So you can code just right within here. You can do it as long as you know exactly what to input and everything. So you actually don't have to have Dr. Java installed. You can code just right here. But it's a little bit easier with Dr. Java because it gives you some, if you do get some errors, it tells you kind of what to do. So you can submit answers. So if you're stuck and you're like on a Chromebook or something, you don't have your regular computer, you can go ahead, just get inside, get in there and code away. You don't necessarily have to have the Dr. Java like that. So later on, we'll have multiple files that you have to copy and paste into. So you would need Dr. Java later on. And please don't use Eclipse or anything like that, because Eclipse has a lot of autofill features, and on the test they actually have you write with paper and pencil the code. And if you've been doing the autofill feature with Eclipse or something like that, you'll have no clue what you have to input and things like that. It just makes it much more difficult. I've had some kids just do well in the class but then absolutely fail the AP exam because they couldn't come up with this sort of stuff on their own. All right, talk to you later, guys.